Hello, weather enthusiasts and storm chasers. Welcome to Tornado Extreme, your ultimate source for everything tornado related. We're here to delve into the fascinating world of tornadoes, unraveling their mysteries, their might, and their majesty. Today, we're tackling a particularly intriguing question. Can a tornado reach a staggering 400-mile-per-hour winds? It's a whirlwind of a question, and we're about to dive deep into the vortex to find the answer. Now, let's get straight into today's whirlwind of a topic. So the big question, can a tornado reach 400 miles per hour winds at the F5 level? Now let's dive into the heart of this question. The F5 level, as determined by the Fujita scale, is a classification given to tornadoes with wind speeds between 261 to 318 miles per hour. These tornadoes are capable of causing incredible devastation, flattening well-built houses and even lifting them off their foundations. But can a tornado reach the staggering speed of 400 miles per hour? Theoretically, it's possible. However, it's important to note that we've never recorded such a speed in a tornado on Earth. The highest wind speed ever recorded in a tornado was 301 miles per hour, and that was in the Moore, Oklahoma tornado back in 1999. There are a variety of factors that would need to align for a tornado to reach 400 miles per hour. These include the right atmospheric conditions, the perfect balance of warm and cold air, and an extremely powerful updraft. Even then, it's uncertain whether such a speed could be maintained for any length of time. So while it's not impossible for a tornado to reach 400 miles per hour, it's extremely unlikely. It would require a perfect storm of conditions, and even then, it's uncertain if the tornado could sustain such a speed without dissipating. That's certainly a thought to wrap your head around, isn't it? Now let's delve into why a tornado likely, and hopefully, will never reach 400 miles per hour on Earth. Tornadoes are fascinatingly terrifying phenomena, but the thought of one reaching such monstrous speeds is even more daunting. To understand why this is highly unlikely, we first need to grasp the meteorological mechanics behind tornadoes. Tornadoes form from severe thunderstorms, where the updrafts and downdrafts of wind create a spinning effect. This spinning vortex then touches the ground, becoming a tornado. The strength of this vortex is primarily determined by the temperature difference between the ground and the storm cloud above. Now, for a tornado to reach 400 miles per hour, the temperature difference would have to be extreme, far beyond what we typically see on Earth. Such a drastic temperature difference is not only unlikely, but also implausible due to the Earth's atmospheric conditions. On top of that, the physical constraints of our atmosphere also play a significant role. The friction between the tornado and the ground, for instance, slows down the wind speed. The greater the wind speed, the greater the friction, making it increasingly difficult for the tornado to maintain or increase its speed. Imagine the potential devastation a 400 mph tornado could cause. It would be catastrophic, far beyond anything we've experienced. Thankfully, due to the reasons we've just discussed, the likelihood of such an event is astronomically low. Remember, we're Tornado Extreme, and we're just halfway through this storm of information. Let's shift gears now and look at whether a tornado can reach 300 miles per hour winds at the F5 level. The F5 category on the Fujita scale, used to measure tornado intensity, represents the most devastating level of tornadic activity. Winds in an F5 tornado can range from 261 to over 300 miles per hour. So yes, a tornado can indeed reach 300 miles per hour winds, but such instances are exceedingly rare. Now let's delve into the top 10 strongest tornadoes ever recorded. The king of them all is the infamous tornado that struck Oklahoma City back in 1999. This tornado, known as the Bridge Creek Moore tornado, holds the record for the highest wind speed ever recorded on Earth at a staggering 301 miles per hour. Following closely behind in second place is the El Reno tornado of 2013, which reached wind speeds of 295 miles per hour. Other notable mentions include the Tri-State tornado of 1925, the Gerald tornado of 1997, and the Parkersburg tornado of 2008. Each of these tornadoes reached wind speeds well over 250 miles per hour, leaving trails of destruction in their wake. These examples serve as stark reminders of the incredible power that nature can unleash. As we continue to study these phenomenal weather events, we gain a greater understanding of how to better prepare and protect ourselves. Isn't it fascinating and terrifying what nature is capable of? Now let's understand when a tornado is classified as an F5 versus an F4. Tornadoes are rated on the Fujita scale, named after the scientist who developed it, Dr. Tetsuya Fujita. This scale ranges from F0 being the least damaging to F5, the most devastating. An F4 tornado is incredibly destructive, with winds between 207 to 260 miles per hour. It can level well-built houses, blow away weaker structures, and hurl cars like toys. An F5 tornado, on the other hand, is the stuff of nightmares. With wind speeds of over 261 miles per hour, it can sweep houses off their foundations, debark trees, and turn everyday items into deadly projectiles. So, the key difference between an F5 and an F4 is the intensity of the wind speed and the corresponding level of destruction. That's some intense wind power we're talking about. So there you have it, folks. We've delved into the captivating world of tornadoes, exploring their breathtaking speeds and devastating power. We've unraveled the question of whether a tornado can reach a staggering 400 miles per hour at the F5 level. We've discovered why, thankfully, this is a phenomenon that we're unlikely to witness on our planet. We've journeyed through the top 10 strongest tornadoes ever recorded, each one a testament to the awe-inspiring forces of nature. We've also dissected the nuanced differences between an F4 and an F5 tornado, helping us understand the intricate scale that measures these whirlwinds' wrath. In the fascinating realm of tornadoes, there's always more to learn, more to explore. But for now, we've come to the end of this whirlwind adventure. Thank you for riding this storm with us at Tornado Extreme. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on our social media accounts. For more information, visit our website at tornadoextreme.com. Stay safe and keep chasing those storms.